the importance of using strong, unique passwords that emphasizes the emotional and intellectual aspects of digital security. A few letters, some numbers, a special character if you're cautious. We've all done it. Created a password and thought, this will keep me safe. But behind every password lies a question. How strong is it really? And if it falls, how much will it take with it? Your password is more than just a key to your accounts. It's a gatekeeper to your identity, your privacy, and your most personal information. And yet, how many of us guard that gate with a flimsy lock? Simple, predictable, weak. These are the keys too many of us use to guard everything we are online. And all it takes is a moment, a breach, a leak for your digital life to be exposed. When you reuse the same password across multiple accounts, you give attackers the power to dismantle everything in one fell swoop. One cracked key can open every door. But there's a way to protect yourself. It starts with understanding that your password is more than just a string of characters. It's the barrier between safety and exposure. A strong password is one that can't be guessed, cracked, or stolen. It's long, it's random, and most importantly, it's unique. Every account you create should have its own impenetrable code. One of the best ways to manage this complexity is to use a password manager. These tools create and store strong, unique passwords for every site so you don't have to remember them all, only one. Think of it like this. Would you trust the same key to open your house, your car, your bank, and your office? Of course not. Yet online, we make that mistake all the time, and the consequences can be devastating. One weak password can lead to financial loss, stolen identity, and the invasion of your privacy. It can unravel years of trust in a moment. But the power to protect yourself is in your hands. By using strong, unique passwords, you lock each door separately. You take control of your security. You make your digital life a fortress, not an easy target. Each strong, unique password is like a lock only you can open. And in today's world, that kind of control is priceless. It's not just about protecting accounts. It's about protecting the things that make you, you. Take the time. Strengthen your passwords. Guard your future. Because in the digital world, your strength is your security, and your security is everything.